Hello, this is David from INGCO Products Department. Today, I will introduce INGCO circular saw to all my friends. Circular saw is a very important tool for carpenters to do woodworking and home DIY. Today, let INGCO take you to get to know the circular saw. It's mainly used for cutting wooden boards straightly and fastly. Circular saws has a variety of sizes: the mini ones, normal-sized ones, and the larger-sized ones. The most common sizes are as follows: 165 mm, 185 mm, 235 mm. Circular saws are specified as wired and cordless models. The cordless version of the circular saw size is generally smaller than the wired version, and it generally has a diameter of 6.5 inches. The wired version of the saw blade, on the other hand, has a 7.25 inches diameter. But what matters the most is to hold both handles while you work for a better stability. Saw blade teeth that are large and sparse, such as 24T, are suitable for heavy-duty work and outdoor work. On the contrary, choosing 40T for thinner work and making furniture will leave small cutting marks. For daily DIY, we recommend you to use the moderate T saw blade, which can handle all kinds of work. Change the saw blade. Switch off the machine. Loosen the middle screw and take off the saw blade.